Hey guys, let's do some glitter brows. After brushing my eyebrow hairs upwards, I'm going to go ahead and apply this liquid concealer all over my brows, basically going against the way my brows naturally grow. And then once I feel nice and comfortable with the way that I applied it going backwards, I will flatten my brows out and apply it in the way that they actually do grow. Doing this just really helps me cover those nice, thick, dark hairs that I have on my brows. So next I'm going to go ahead and blend out that concealer, as you can see here. And next I'm going to reach for this Kryolan paint stick. So the reason I'm using this is basically a professional grade foundation stick. And I really wanted this to be a nice little layer in between my eyebrows and the glue. I'm sure you could use a normal concealer stick in between, but this is what I did. So I applied a really nice layer on my brows and buffed that out just the same as the concealer before. Like I said, I'm just using this to make my eyebrows very resilient. These brows were not coming off, so this clearly worked. All right, now it's time for a little setting powder. Using my powder puff, I'm just applying that all over my brow area and then buffing off any extra. Okay, and it's time for glue. So I'm just using my basic eyelash glue and I'm just putting that into my eyebrows very, very lightly. And then I'm going to go in with this very fine glitter. I like this glitter because it's going to fill in any holes that are left by the thicker gold glitter that we're going to use later. Okay, and now we're just brushing in another layer of glue. And then we're going to pat on some nice chunky gold glitter. And if you can tell, I'm kind of leaning my head forward so the glitter falls on my table and not like all over my face. And for my specific glitter, it had a bunch of different shapes, one of which was a weird pentagon. They were kind of big and I didn't like how chunky they were on my brows, so here I am just picking them off. And to clean up my brows, I'm just applying a concealer that's closer to my skin tone, to the top and bottom. And then I'm going to go ahead and buff that out. All right, and this is my final look. I hope you enjoyed. See you next time, guys.